Hello and welcome to Craft. Today we are going to make my name out of a image. So let's. I'm going to change the color in this, and let me go find an image. So we'll do an apple because I'm seeing that this was easier. I'm gonna do this one. This one. I'm gonna pull this one in. Because some of these have a lot going on. Alright, so which one has the less layers? Oh, I got a lot going on. I don't want that one. It's not too bad. Alright, so this one only got 2. So that's perfectly fine. So I'm gonna ungroup this. And we can keep that. How that I want to do something. I'm gonna keep that how that is for right. And I'm also going to cut off. Actually, I don't need to do that. I just need to place it here. And then slice it. Oh, that was just up. Oh, so I got piece left. And can't leave it on there. I didn't need to take this. Make this a little smaller. Alright, so this is a little piece left. That's I'm just gonna place back on there. And anyways, alright. I like to duplicate, but at least I have more than one. So we're gonna work with this. Okay, come on. Work with me here. I'll go ahead and bring this to the front. Unlock that. And I'm gonna take and slice this. So you can do it this way. Or another way you can do it. Yeah, real. Let me highlight it. Come on, that crazy thing. Alright, so yeah. Make sure I have, oops, highlight the name and make sure you have it wide enough. Alright, so then you take and highlight it and you slice it. There we go. And if you want to, you can put on these. Or you can do like this. Bring it to the front. You can have it like this and place this back on here, or you can just have, you know, just your red, just your green, you can take green and you can make it red, however you want to do it. So like I say, or you can just place it on top, give it a little highlight of the green. That way, I think I like that right there. And make sure that you take and group them. Want it to be. I want one to be red. I want it to be green. So if you go to make this, this one. It'll be this one you use. You have your red, that one, and then you have your top. And that's it. So it was just something pretty cute that I saw. Oh, like I said, you can do it this way as well. And then just place it back on top. And you can cut it. That way you have that green background accent to it. So either way, both of them was just something to a quick tutorial to show you guys. So thanks for watching, ladies and gents. I do apologize. Again,